Hey guys, do you remember how in my last video I said sometimes we're limited because of the winter storms that we get and whatnot? Well, guess what I'm doing today? A last minute spontaneous photo shoot with a professional dancer from Costa Rica who's never shot in the snow. My gear of choice will be a Canon R5 with the new 50mm 1.8. And I might also try the 85 1.2 and the 135 f2 from the EF lineup. So without further ado, let's get started. For lighting, I decided to use a Profoto C1 Plus because they were small and compact. And I knew I did not need a lot of power because I was shooting at a wide open aperture of f1.8. Plus I was keeping my ISO at 2000 to allow some of the ambient light in. We moved on to another location. But as we got there, we realized it was not going to work. The wind was blowing harshly against the model's face. On top of that, as you can imagine, she was very cold. So we decided to move on to a place where the wind was blowing in a different direction so we can continue shooting. It is so freaking cold. I can only imagine what the model's feeling right now. Okay, we're almost done. It is way too cold. We're gonna do one last round and I'm going to change the batteries for my Profoto remote because the battery ran out. And as you know, the cold drains batteries even faster. So we're gonna go back in my building real quick, change the batteries and get back out there. The first two photos you're going to see came directly from the 50 f1.8, and at some point I decided to switch to the 85, not because I did not like the 50, but because I really like the way photos come out by using the 85. However, I am excited to keep using the 50 and I will be making its own separate video. Alright, we have finished. It's cold. As usual, if you like this video, come on, subscribe, make it happen. See ya.